Hi, Robert.
Hello, I got a question about mutual funds.
Okay.
Why am I having my dividends reinvested in mutual funds if the market's going to tank, like you say?
I have no idea, Robert. It is not something that I ever condone.
I inherited from my parents, and it's always gone back into them, and it just occurred to me here recently that maybe I ought to have that dividend going into the money market.
Yeah. Well, I think you should, Robert, and I tell everybody that for the most part. If you're going to be in mutual funds, I say get your money. Don't reinvest. Here's the reason. Well, here's been my strategy. Now, I'm not talking about mutual funds. I'm talking about individual stocks. But I've never reinvested anything. I always like it to go to the money market account because I want to decide where to reinvest it. So maybe I have a stock, or in your case, a mutual fund that you like, that you invest in, that you own. But that doesn't mean, even though you may keep it, it doesn't stay in favor as a continually good buy. Now, I know that flies in the face of what everybody says, but I would rather not reinvest, have that money going in a money market account, and say, hey, here's a fund that I have that is totally tanked. And if I still believe in that fund, let me put all my reinvestment dividends from all my other funds into that one and buy in cheap. That's going to help me in the long run more than anything else. And particularly when you're dealing with individual stocks. The other thing I like about not reinvesting and receiving those dividends is the fact that you will get those dividends, in your, you're going to feel and touch the dividends. So when the market goes down and you're a little discouraged, you're going to say, you know what? Market's down. I'm not so apt to sell out because I'm getting these dividends. I'm doing okay, and I feel pretty good about it. At least I know, even though the value of what I own is down a little bit, the money's still working for me because I'm getting the dividends. The mistake that investor advisors make when they do this all the time, they almost are feeding what they dislike. What they dislike is how their clients get so discouraged so fast. Well, they almost feed it, because they're reinvesting in the same thing over and over again. So you can't ever sit back and say, hey, look, you had nothing in your money market account. You got $2,500 this year in there. They're all from these dividends. Your money is working for you. Yes, the value is down, but your money is working for you. You've got to hang in there and keep it going.